Today we are going to have some fun making your own firefighter helmet out of a paper plate. Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's get started. Here's what you will need to make your very own firefighter helmet. A yellow piece of construction paper, a paper plate, red paint, a sponge brush, scissors, tape or glue, and a marker. First, you want to take your plate, and grown-ups, if you get a heavy-duty plate, this project will go so much easier for you. Then you take your scissors, and boys and girls, if you need help, just get the grown-ups to help you. First, you want to cut out the shield. So there you go, cut out the shield with your scissors. And grown-ups, you can help adjust this hat for the size of your child's head. Next, it is time to paint your helmet. Pour out your red paint onto an extra paper plate. Dip your sponge brush into the paint, and then start to paint your helmet. You can paint your helmet on the front and the back if you would like. Now it is time to cut out your yellow shield. Take your scissors, and boys and girls, if you need help, just remember to ask a grown-up, and cut out your yellow shield, just like this. Take your marker or markers and decorate your shield however you would like. You can make it really fancy or just simple, just like this. Attach your yellow shield to your helmet. You can either use glue or tape. Today, we are going to use glue. Take your glue stick and cover the back of your yellow shield. Attach your yellow shield to your helmet. Now we didn't wait because we were so excited, but we would suggest that you wait until your helmet dries. It will be a lot less messy that way. And there you have it, your very own fire helmet.